Hi everyone, myself Sri Devi, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about magnetic field that is represented by H due to infinite sheet of charge. On completion of this module, the learners can able to understand the magnetic field intensity H due to infinite sheet of charge. First, the concept of magnetic field intensity H arises from moving charges or currents. For the infinite sheet of charge, the magnetic field can be determined using Ampere's law. This law simplifies magnetic field calculation for symmetric current distributions. Ampere's circuital law states that the magnetic field intensity around the closed path is equal to total current enclosed. The application of this law is for current flow in different directions. So consider the infinite current sheet lying in the z axis, that is equal to z is equal to 0 plane, that is Js is equal to Js into Ay. The magnetic field must be parallel to the sheet of charge, opposite to the direction above and below the sheet, hence H is equal to Hs. An infinite sheet, the applications of Ampere's law for an infinite sheet is the closed path. The path is given like this: 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. This is the closed path. X, Y, Z are the x directions, and the closed path is called as Ampere's path. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1 is perpendicular to the sheet. So these sides parallel to the current contribute 0, H perpendicular to dl. Ampere's law's equation states that H dot dl equal to I enclosed. The integral is taken along the rectangular path. Only the top and bottom sides are contribute. The evaluation of line integral. Let path length on each side be b. Integral H dot dl equal to H of b plus b is equal to 2hb. The enclosed path current is equal to Js into b. So the simplified relations is like that: H is equal to Js by 2. That is, the magnetic field intensity is half of the surface current density. Here the direction of H using right hand rule. For Z greater than 0, H is equal to Js by 2 into Ax. For Z less than 0, H is equal to minus Js by 2 into Ax. Symmetrical pair of current filaments with current along Ay is like this. So three axes are considered: Ax, Ay and Az axis are considered. Consider the infinite sheets of Z is equal to 0. So H dot dl equal to b dot Hx plus b into Hz, that is 2b into Hz. So 2b into Hx is equal to ky into b. So in general, H is equal to 1 by 2 into k bar. So in general expression, H is equal to Js by 2 into An, where An is the unit vector normal to the surface. So the graphical representation: magnetic field lines are parallel to the surface, the equal magnitude on both sides but opposite in direction. Comparison with electric field: E is given as E is equal to sigma divided by 2 into epsilon naught, that is H is equal to Js by 2. The units and dimensions are: H field unit is ampere per meter. The surface current density Js is also represented as ampere per meter. Both have consistent dimensions. Physical interpretation: physical direction preserves across the sheet. Demonstrates boundary conditions in magnetic field. The magnetic conditions remain consistent with delivered result, that is H is equal to Js by 2. The applications used are microstrip and transmission line design, current sheet modeling and magnetic shielding analysis. And overall, the infinite sheet is the uniform magnetic field, and the magnitude is known as H is equal to Js by 2. Opposite directions on either side of sheet derived using Ampere's circuital law. Hope this infinite current sheet on uniform magnetic field with the density Js and magnetic field intensity H is equal to Js by 2, that is half of the Js value. So the opposite directions on either sides of the sheet. So it is derived from the Ampere's circuital law. Thank you for listening.